The ESP boards are awesome. The only thing that pulls them back is you. Last week, I created a project with the 8266. It's called Online Serial. From the name itself, you can understand that it's a serial monitor which can be accessed from the web. Now, I'm going to show you how it works and how I made it. I started by creating a Python Flask server with some basic HTML and CSS. I also used a JSON file as the database as I was lazy. The idea was that the board would use its Wi-Fi module and send a request to the Flask server on which the data would be shown like the original serial monitor. I finished writing the code in just a few days and then pushed it to my GitHub and connected the repo to my Heroku app. Then I wrote some C++ which I was still learning so that the board could send the data to the server. At the end of the week, I had a complete project. I didn't learn a lot as this was new to me, but it was fun. The GitHub repository isn't public and I don't think I'll make it public as it's too easy to have its own repo. And here goes the demo video. Hope you guys found this video useful. This was Adi and I'll see you in another video.